Friends, this is Nakul.
So this is Mr. Nakul Bijla, and he has recently started a new endeavor, Pratap Motors with Tata Motors joint collaboration, and this is the workshop, the mobile workshop. And let's listen to Mr. Nakul Bijla now, what he says and how he shows us around in this workshop.
Hello friends, Mr. Banerjee has already introduced me. I started a workshop here at Birpada. It's a full range workshop. It's for Tata commercial vehicle. So you guys are welcome. We are ready to serve you. Thank you very much.
So let's look at the workshop now. Let's look
Please go
around.
ahead.
So first and foremost, I think we have this service office here. You can see the board here, and you can see on top the signs will tell you so much about Tata Motors. And here you can see Sampurna Seva. These are the sevas or the services provided, which has been displayed here very proudly. And well, here the booking numbers will be coming up very soon. And here you have job.
This is actually Pro-Life Engineering.
Yes, Pro-Life Engineering Board. And this is the tire inflator, which you can see on your screen now, for big vehicles as well as smaller vehicles.
Come sir, let's
And
I'll
yes.
inform you, give you information.
Yes.
This is 3D wheel alignment machine.
Wonderful.
And, as you can see, multi-axles. We can do wheel alignment of multi-axle trucks also.
Okay.
This is quite a costly machine for a workshop,
Okay.
but we have installed it. This is actually the future of trucks.
Okay. And here you can see work in progress. Some trucks standing here, or rather trucks.
This is pneumatic grease gun.
Okay.
We don't use any manual thing over here at our workshop. We are using this pneumatic system for greasing nipples.
Okay. This is the grease gun. Okay. So this is a very big one. In fact, not the usual manual one. It's mechanized.
It's pneumatic from air pressure.
Okay.
Very useful, very effective.
Very useful and
As
effective.
you can see, these are all pneumatic lines over here,
Okay.
and we don't use this manual tool. All this thing with pneumatic guns also. See, come here. You just put your camera over here. These are all pneumatic guns. Dismantle the vehicle. This is gearbox work going on at our workshop.
Okay. So this is the gearbox repairing work in progress in the workshop. And then we have more trucks. Here we can see a dumper. There's another big one.
This is also very interesting. This is actually electronic dispensing unit for engine oil.
Okay, electronic dispensing unit for engine oil. Okay.
We don't use that manual dispense system for engine oil.
Okay.
This is barrel, as you can see. This is Tata Genuine Oil.
Right.
We have placed our unit into it, and
Okay.
now we just have to feed how much units we want to fill.
Fill. So that has to be entered.
A truck requires 22 liter. We just fill 22 liter and just
The exact amount goes in.
exact amount.
So this is the benefit.
Come, I'll show you on the
So here we can see more banners. Tata Motors, and here are some more.
This is MIG and plasma welding and cutting system
Okay.
for body work.
Okay.
We don't use that manual gas system.
Okay.
DA or carbide, we don't use that. Company recommended system. This is for the strength of the metal is not compromised by using these materials. This is CO2 cylinder, not a oxygen cylinder.
Okay.
Regular
Okay.
oxygen cylinder.
Okay.
This is CO2 cylinder.
CO2. Okay.
Come, sir. This is the riveting machine, pneumatic riveting machine we are using
Okay.
to rivets, brake shoe, brake leathers, and clutch leather.
Okay.
This is also very interesting thing. This is part cleaning machine.
Okay. To give it a shine, any part which has to be cleaned.
Suppose hub,
Okay.
If you are suppose you are doing hub greasing, you have to clean the bearing first.
Right.
So we don't clean it manually. This is an automatic part cleaner machine.
Okay.
There are a lot of nozzle. If you come bring it closer, you can get it checked. There are a lot of nozzles with
Right.
proper pressure to
Yes.
clean the part.
So this is the parts cleaner.
Here it is this compressor machine. This is 15 HP compressor.
Okay.
Very effective. Very. It generates power actually. Power for tools, pneumatic tools.
Okay.
Now we are installing this machine for BS6 engines.
Okay.
This is a regeneration way, as you can see. It has been. This is going to be very critical for BS6 trucks.
Okay. So here also we can see some work in progress.
This is actually a carpenter.
Carpenter working on certain parts of some particular truck.
No, not truck, not truck.
Okay.
This is for office and
Okay.
general
This
use.
is for office and general. Okay. And then this is the oil lube system.
This is actually press,
Okay.
hydraulic press. This is hydraulic press.
Okay.
It's a very common machine. You can find it in Birpada also. This is we have bought it in house, so that we don't have to go to Birpada for all.
For any of this work.
This is a complete workshop.
Okay.
We do each and everything over here only. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Mr. Nakul Bijla.
I'll show you my parts room also.
And we are now moving towards the parts room, which is also part of this endeavor. And
We are under process of developing this part room.
okay.
This is all computerized and inventory based part.
Okay. Yes, spare parts. So here some work is in progress. Say hi please to my YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Bijla. It was nice listening to your description of your new workshop. So this is the workshop. I'll give you a complete view. And so that's it. Thank you very much.